Hello and welcome to another update video about PEPE. Well, PEPE is still consolidating sideways above the support area that I communicated a couple of days ago in the last video. So there are two structures I'm watching, two scenarios. They are essentially very similar. The important point is that just the microstructure is different for each of them. Where, for example, in the orange count, the wave 2 low formed here in November. In the white count, that's a B wave low. Essentially, that's just, I don't know, an academic discussion, I guess, but it has an impact on the microstructure. So, for example, in the orange scenario, and we're expecting further upside still for PEPE, in the orange microstructure that I'm tracking, we get a decent support area here that I communicated again a couple of days ago. And it's still holding. It's still holding. I just opened the chart and I see a beautiful triangle. At least it looks like that. Wave 4s can be triangles. Wave 4s can be triangles. So we're currently holding above that support area and could see another push to the upside in this fifth wave, of a C wave, of a larger third wave. So that would be ideal, of course. Yeah. And then what we could do is add a couple of trend lines here. Pick and choose your color. So like that, yeah. And a triangle is typically a 5-wave move, but it consists of corrective structures. So a triangle would be wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D, lower highs and higher lows, and an E wave. And we could be close to completing it, and then a break to the upside would be ideal. Well, important is always to understand when we're dealing with these triangles, after a triangle breaks, it can happen very quickly. So the next move could be a surge. And interesting to see that this has been not really been affected. You know, PEPE hasn't really been affected by the, let's say, sell-off that I mean, there's been a small sell-off today across the sector. PEPE hasn't really been affected, and the frog is strong. And you know, it's important to understand, okay, when is it not a triangle anymore? Well, when it breaks below that Friday low, which was located at 188.219, it could still fall back into the support area and hit the 50% FIB level, but I would really prefer it stays a triangle and breaks out, because otherwise it does look already as if a larger correction starts, like here, that we already in circle 4 with support down to 109.325. But for now, I would think it looks better if it's still part of that move up. At the moment, one more high, also in line with what I'm watching for Bitcoin. Wave 4s sometimes are boring. Wave 4s are often sideways consolidations, right? And then we could get one more high. And the first breakout signal would be a move above the 240.700 level, this swing high from Friday as well, and would be confirmed with a break above the Thursday high at 260.320. And the next upside levels to watch, I mean, at least one more high should hit the next FIB level. Here we are talking about 307.805 or 376.270. These are the next levels to watch, but that would be quite high if we really get to that 338.2 FIB extension. Bear in mind, PEPE's move up is already way overextended. I mean, it's a nice to have this move. It's not required really, but it's a nice to have, and it's very much overextended already. We're very extended. You see these FIB extensions are insane, but it's not uncommon necessarily in these bullish sectors, especially across the in these bullish phases of the market, especially in the meme coin sector. So I think the levels should be clear. That's what we need to be watching for as we're heading into the new trading week. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.